Hello, I'm Rosie and welcome to my fitness channel. Today's workout is workout number 6 of our 20-minute workout challenge. This is gonna be an ab, core, and booty focused workout. Are you guys ready? Let's start. Okay, we're just gonna start with a slight fast walk on the spot. Almost like a march. Start to bring that energy up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna jump and lunge. Here we go. We're gonna jump and switch. Get low. This time we're gonna jump and hold. Down, down, jump, down, down, jump. Back to our singles. Repeat it, back to our hold. Go down and down, switch. Okay, jumping jacks for 2. 1, 2, and knee lift. 1, 2, knee lift. 1, 2, step, lift, step, lift. Twist it out. Keep them legs going, but lift them arms. Bring arms down. Really get them arms moving. Okay, step it out here. Look to the side and switch. Shoulders back. Look up and down. So to the side. We're gonna lift the shoulders up and down. We're gonna circle arms back. Here we go for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms out. Reach it over to the side. And up. And the other side. Arms up. Reach it across. Keep that shoulder down. And reach across. Out. Pull it back. So I'm sticking my chest out, reach around to the front, curve it over. Reach up, pull them wrists back. So then lower arm stretch. So reach out. Reach up, hang down. Let them shoulders gently move up and down. Keep them knees nice and bent. Bend and roll up in your own time. Good work, you guys. Let's get ready for our first routine. Okay, we're now gonna take a cardio recovery. This is a level 1 section. This is step it out. We're gonna keep our feet moving, but at a lower impact to our regular cardio. We're gonna steadily build that heart rate, but not too high. We're gonna keep it nice and soft throughout this whole way. We're gonna start with just padding our feet, transferring our weight, using the resistance with our arms, so we have nice strong arms, and engage that core throughout. Okay, we're gonna start off with stepping to the side. Here we go, so we're gonna step out together. Keeping that supporting leg bent, chest slightly lifted. Okay, we're gonna step to the side with our skates. Here we go. Step out. Undercut them arms. Really step wide. Get that leg all the way over. Keep that chest lifted. Okay, next step. We're gonna lunge it back. Step together. Lunge together. Back together. Keep that core strong. Chest lifted. Down. Down. Breathe through the step. We're gonna take a cross step. We're gonna step with our left, cross, step it back. Step, cross, step it back. Speed it up. Step, cross, step, step. Cross, step, cross. Nice plug. Knee lift. Step, knee. Step, knee. Step, knee. Use that core to lift that knee when you're stepping onto that working leg. Step out. Resist them arms up and down. We're gonna lunge it back together. Engage that core. Okay, we're gonna go straight into our cross step. Let's go that double time speed. Cross step and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, switch directions. Here we go, double knee lift. Step, step. Okay, we're gonna step it out, and we're contracting. So my feet keep moving, stepping out. My core is contracting. I'm using resistance with my arms to pull down. We're gonna step reach. Step up, step reach to the side, step up. Keep them feet moving. Okay, we're gonna cross it out. Here we go. Step, cross, step, back. Undercut them arms. Change directions. One more cross. We're gonna finish it out with high knees. Step, knees. Step, knees. Use that core to really lift them knees high. Squeeze it. Great job, you guys. Take a moment for yourself. Let's get ready for our next routine. This section is booty power. We're gonna be working our booty, our glutes the whole way through this routine. You're gonna feel the burn right away and throughout the whole routine. So take small breaks if you need to, but keep challenging yourself and trying this routine, and you'll get stronger as you go. You're gonna need a mat for this one. We're gonna start on all fours, hands down, nice straight back, engage that core. We're gonna lift that right knee in and out. That toe is gonna be facing the floor. Last one, 2 more, sorry. In and out, pulse it up. Make sure that toe is facing the floor, chest lifted, engage that core. Good, now we're gonna take it into a right angle. So bring that knee in and up, up. Make sure that foot is flat, up to the ceiling. Woo, feeling that burn already. Hold it up and pulse it here. So you're just lifting that knee, don't let it drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left one, in and out, in and out. Remember that toes to the floor. Get that core working too. Hold it here and pulse. You'll also feel this in the supporting leg as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in and up. Foot flat up to the sky. Don't let that back arch or sink. Keep it nice and square and tight with that core working. Hold it up. Good job, you guys. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. We're gonna go down onto our backs. We're gonna take bridges, lifting up and down. Squeezing as we lower. Squeezing from the top of that glute. Breathe through that burn. Hold it up. Okay, we're gonna stand up. We're gonna go into our side lunges. Down, up. Pushing that glute back. Push them hips all the way back. Keep that chest up. Switch sides. Take 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish it out, back to the right. Back, up, 2, 3, 4. Good job, you guys. Grab some water, get ready for your next exercise. Okay, so this workout routine is an ab workout routine. This is level 1. So we're gonna be engaging our core throughout the whole way, pulling our belly button into our spine. As we lay down, I want you to focus on that lower back, sinking into the floor and pushing down. Our rhythm is gonna be 8 slow and 8 quick throughout the whole time. So we're gonna start lying down, feet placed on the floor, firmly onto the floor. Now watch that back isn't arching and it's pulling under. We're gonna lift up with 8 slow crunches and then we're gonna double the speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Watch that neck, you're not lifting. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna reach to the side and down, up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch sides. Go 1. Squeeze it down. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't go all the way down. 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs up. 1, 2, 3. You can relax some knees if you need to. 4, 5. Keep that chest lifted. 6, 7. Squeeze that core. 8. Double time. Reach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs bend. 1, 2. Watch that lower back here. 3, 4. Squeeze it down. Squeeze. 6, 7, 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs open. 1. They're in butterfly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs down straight. 1. Woo, you got this, guys. Keep going. Up 3, 4. Push through the band. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. Last set. Here you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Lift up. Push them feet down to the floor. Back. Reach back. Hold it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Reach up. Push back. Lift that chest. Engage that core. Belly button into spine. Hold it when you feel that burn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push up. Pull down. Push up. Pull down. Nice work, you guys. Grab some water, take a couple of seconds, get ready for your next exercise. Okay, we've now reached our last section of our workout. This is our cool down section. We're really gonna relax and stretch into our body and breathe real deep. You're gonna need a mat for this exercise. Lift up, relax down. Breathe in and out, and up, and let that head gently roll around. Take this roll in your own time. Switch directions. Over. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up and push down with the other shoulder. And switch. Bring that chin into your chest and gently just rock side to side. And come up and reach over to the side. Just gently ease through this stretch. Switch sides. Keep that hip on the floor. And up. And wrap that arm across your body. Make sure this shoulder doesn't lift up. Pull it down. And gently with your other hand, pull your arm in. Switch sides. Pull that left knee over on top. If you need to, you can keep this leg stretched out or wrap it down. Put that hip down to the floor. Pull that knee into your chest. Take a nice long straight back. Twist to the side. And switch sides. Pop that foot on top. Roll down. Pull it in, keep that hip down, and twist, and switch. Get on top, push down, keeping your hips on the floor, and gently come back up. Roll them shoulders. Thank you for choosing my channel to work out. I hope you guys had a great workout and you built up a sweat. You guys are really crushing it with the workouts. Drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you to see how you're getting on with these 20-minute workouts. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more. I'm bringing out these 20-minute workouts on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and in between, I'll be dropping my short workouts for you as well. Thanks again, you guys. See you next time.